in this box is a very special piece from a very special Coach collection. There's a very limited collection and it sold out very quickly. And I almost missed it, I'll tell you why. And I did miss some of the other pieces because of my mistake, but I was able to snag this, and this is the piece that I wanted the most. I had to have it. So in this video, we'll open it up. I'll show you all the details. I'll talk a little bit about the collection and show you 2 other pieces that I have that are similar to this one. And maybe even a third if you're lucky. So stay tuned. And welcome, I'm Autumn Beckman, and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. I post new videos weekly, so please make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of those, and so you don't miss my daily community posts where I share the best sales of the day and fabulous handbags that I find. Also, don't miss my website, autumnbeckman.com/shop, where you'll find handbags and accessories I have for sale, as well as the My Handbag Collection Organizer. These are planner pages that I've designed to help you organize and curate your handbags and your life. The heart of which is the item tracker page. This is where you can record everything you'd want to know about your handbags and small goods. But I also have group tracker pages and wish list pages, pages to help you keep track, let's go back one, of your sales associates and their contact information, plus calendar pages in a variety of formats so you can find what works best for you, and so much more. I'm so excited to open this. I have been waiting for this piece to be released since I first saw photos of it having dropped in Japan. And you know, Coach, they're an American company, but I think their biggest market is Japan currently and has been for a while. So they tend to release things there, sometimes exclusively, and we never get them in the States, but other times they just release them in Japan first. Actually, that tends to happen quite a bit. And based on the information I was seeing, I didn't know if we would even get this piece here. So I'm very, very happy that we did. Oh, and I almost didn't get my hands on it. I was going to tell you that real quick because I knew it was dropping on a particular day. And the Coach drops lately have been happening at my time, Pacific time zone, at 10 p.m. I think. And by that time, I'm usually checked out of work-related stuff or I'm sleeping. And on this particular night, even though I knew this was happening, somehow I completely forgot about it, even though I had been looking forward to it. So I woke up the next morning and it still took a little while, and suddenly I remembered and I was like, oh no, I've missed it. And I ran over to the website and I had missed most everything, but somehow this piece was still available, which shocked me because I thought it would be one of the first to sell out. So let's see how they've packaged it up here. We have that Coach paper with the sticker. There's this card. There's another card that I'll open in a second because I think it gives something away. And they've packaged it in, instead of a box, this bag, plus some tissue paper at the bottom. And when I order something from Coach, often I will request gift wrap. And I noticed this time around that they charged $7 for this, even though it's not even a box, it's just a paper bag that they shipped. They did not used to charge for gift wrapping, so that is a new thing. So let's open this up. I do wish that if they were charging $7 for gift wrapping, that it would come in a box and not a bag, because the boxes you can reuse for storage for other things. This bag won't be very helpful to me. All right, get this open and pull out the item, which is quite well wrapped in tissue paper with the Coach sticker. Oh, I almost got that undone without ripping the tissue paper. And we have, it's so cute. Oh, I was a little worried about the color because I've seen photos of this and it looks different color in different lights, but this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. The Coach Rexy 10th birthday. That's the collection. Buddy the Dinosaur Shearling Bag Charm. 100% a keeper. I'm unwrapping it immediately. Buddy is Rexy's Brontosaurus friend, a blue Brontosaurus, as you can see, done in shearling. This was $200, just like the previous shearling bag charms mostly were. So here's a little spin of Buddy. There's the top and Buddy's underside. So he has those lighter blue feet, sweet little eyeballs tucked in that shearling, tiny little nostrils that get lost in the shearling. There's the other one. You have the brass snap hook. There's a little C for Coach. and a little hang tag that says Coach. I was just looking for some extra stitching details on Buddy, but I don't see any. Buddy was one of 2 dinosaur shearling charms released for Rexy's 10th birthday. That was April 2026, 10 years after Rexy was first introduced in the 2016 runway show. And of course, this is not the first time that Coach has released shearling animal bag charms. I have these 2 shearling bears from a couple years ago. And last season, from fall 2025, they released a small collection of shearling animals. I have this rabbit. Here's the rabbit up close so you can see some of those details. It may be a little difficult to see, but the bunny has some extra stitching details on her foot. And you can see this better on the ear there, because many of these were specifically designed to look as if they were old worn toys that had been stitched up and repaired. But I don't see any stitching like that on Buddy. I also have this Rexy shearling bag charm, and it too does not have any extra stitching on it. Now, in addition to Buddy being released for Coach's 10th anniversary, they also released Trixie, the purple Triceratops, and she does have some stitching details. I don't have pictures of that to show you, but I remember seeing it on some social media posts where people got theirs in and were asking if it was normal, because a lot of people aren't aware that these were designed to look like worn toys. Now, Trixie and Buddy are both sold out at this point. Whether they'll bring them back into stock, I have no idea. I would guess they won't since it's part of the Rexy 10th birthday collection, which was a small limited production, as far as I know, collection that is sold out at this point. But Rexy is available, as is the bunny and a few other of the animals released from the fall 26 collection, plus the carrot. So I'll have those linked below as well. And there are a few more random pieces that are still available from the birthday collection, so I'll link those too. And I'm loving the colors of these 3 together. Let's see how they look on bags. Here's Buddy on my Rogue 25, and here are all 3 on my green vintage duffel sack. Now, I'm not sure I would wear all 3 together, but they do look good. I love that color combination. But I have to say, honestly, I was a bit disappointed in the Rexy 10th birthday collection. The handbags released, and I would have loved to have a bag with Rexy on it, but they were either black bags that had a ton of charms, including some dinosaur charms, which isn't my thing, to overload your bag with charms. Also, if I did want to do that, I'd want to use my own charms. Or they were loved leather, and I love Coach's loved leather, but with stickers all over them, which also isn't my thing, and I know a lot of you, it's not your thing too. The only other piece I would have considered purchasing if it had still been in stock was this, the notebook cover. It's in the loved leather with the stickers, but it was already sold out by the time I remembered that this collection had dropped. They also released this notebook, which I was not aware of. I hadn't seen previews of that one, which is just like a notebook that Coach released before in black and in brown. I have that one, except this one is blue. And it's a very pretty navy blue, but I do love the brown one I have, so I'm okay with missing that. Also, the Coach notebook covers are not my favorite because they have no pockets. They also released a few bags and clothing items that have Rexy with a party hat, a cupcake, and balloons that say 10. And I thought that was really, really cute, but not something that I want on my bag or clothing. So I wish they'd done some small items, like maybe a little print you could buy, something that you wouldn't have to wear, but you could still have to commemorate this anniversary. And I know in some stores they had some special stickers. I also saw somebody mention that these stickers had been available, but I never even saw them available. But that's how the drop went for me, and I'm so glad that I got this because it is the one thing I felt like I had to have. How did the drop go for you? Did you remember it? Did you know about it? Did you want anything? Did you get anything? Did it all sell out before you could? Was it frustrating? Or were you able to get exactly what you wanted? I heard that it was another frustrating drop with things having been sold out in stores before they even dropped online, or things that did drop online selling out immediately. So I'd love to hear your experience in the comment section below. While you're down there, check out my pinned comment at the top of the comment section that has some of the links to things I've mentioned in this video. I'll also have that in the description box, as well as the links to my website, autumnbeckman.com/shop, for handbags, accessories, and planner pages. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.